Hello, everybody. Dark Matter here. Another exciting video. Don't mind the junk behind me because, well, I'm in my garage. Yeah. I'm in the garage. Yeah, and I bet you're wondering, Dark, what the hell you bugging us for now? Well, let me tell you, okay? First off, I'll bring you, because my good old buddy, my buddy, Handy Camper, he's got himself a giveaway over there on his channel. You might want to go over there and take a look at that. That's right, he got a video over there about giving away some stuff. I'll put a link down there in the description there for you to go over there and get in and say, hey, I want in on that. Dark sent me over here. I'm going to get in on some of that goodness. That's right. That's right. Okay, so there's one. All right, there's one. Handy Camper, my buddy Handy Camper, he's giving away stuff over on his channel, having himself a giveaway. That's right. That's right. Handy Camper. Handy Camper. He's my brother here on YouTube. That's right. He's having a giveaway. Go over there and tell him I want ends on the giveaway. I'll put, like I said, a link in the description down below. All right. Number 2. Oh, my chair. My chair. Yeah, it was behind me. It scared me. Here, we'll pull that up now. Have a seat here. All right. Number 2. All right. MD Outdoors. Yes, sir. MD Outdoors. He's having a giveaway too. He's giving away a big old Dutch oven, one of those cast iron ones. Yeah, one of those cast iron Dutch ovens. I think he may have lost his mind a little bit giving away good cast iron. What's wrong with you, MD? I'm both concerned and happy that you're doing it. Concerned and happy, yes, sir. I do not believe that the MD Outdoors is on, how do you say, all upstairs, giving away cast iron like that. Brand new Dutch oven. Brand new Dutch oven. I believe it's a 9-quart. It's a biggin. It's a biggin. That's right. MD Outdoors giving away a great big old Dutch oven like that. MD's a good guy though, and I like some that half crazed madman MD Outdoors is giving away. I'm giving away good cast iron. Shoo. All right, last but not least, we got James McIntyre's got a giveaway going on. Yes, sir, he does. He's got a giveaway going on. I believe at this point, from what I understand now, I know he'd be changing the rules all the time and stuff, like a crazy madman. He lives in California. He lives in California, so it only makes... I bet he's one of those guys that put that there guacamole on toast. Yeah. Or avocado on toast. That's right, avocado toast. California. That's right. So he's got a giveaway going on. So I thought, he ain't ever gonna get nobody down here in the north to get in on his giveaway, trying to give away some avocado toast. All right. Nah, he's giving away a $50. That's $50 on a card. That's right. One of those fancy California $50 cards. That's right. He's giving away $50. He's like, here, come get in on my giveaway because I loves you. All right. Well, before he even knew what he was giving away, I told him, I was like, dude, you can't just come out and say I'm having a giveaway, but I ain't giving away nothing. Yeah, that's California thinking for you. I'm gonna have a giveaway, but I don't know what I'm giving you. So I made up this here fancy sparky stick. That's right, fancy sparky stick. Here, let me get a close up of that. Ooh, look at the party. All right, it's got a, oh my, it's got a Nathan 4071 5-inch by half-inch ferro rod. That's right, one of Nathan the Fire Wizard's ferro rods. Yes, sir. It's got this fancy copper ferro. That's right, ferro, whatever. This fancy copper cap thing that covers. That's right. I think they call it a ferro. Spit it out, Dark. That's right. And then this here fancy handle is made out of fat wood. Yep. Fancy fat wood hand. That is fat wood. The fat wood came from the beautiful, the ever so lovely, the ever so popular queen of fat wood herself, Shlisa O'Shell. That's right, Shlisa Shell. All right. I donated this here paracord strap. That's right, and this copper ferrule and all the fancy putting together. That's right. I made the handle out of the piece of fat wood, and there you go. You get a good look at. Ooh, look at the goodness. Look at that goodness. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. All right. Anyway, there you go. Fat wood handle. Fat wood handled ferro rod. Nathan 407, best ferro rods in the world. I don't use anything else because I tell you what, it's either, well, the way I look at it, you have ferro rods and then you have Nathan 4071 ferro rods. And I tell you what, I'm in the woods. I want to make sure my sparky stick lights that fire, so I only use Nathan's. I'm not saying the other ones can't do it. I'm just saying I don't want to take the chance that they don't. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, so, on that note, get on James McIntyre. His link will be in the bottom there. MD's link will be down there in the description as well as Handy Campers. That's right. All three of them guys are having oh, you know what? That reminds me. Old Tennessee Bull's having a giveaway too. That's right. Bull's a sexy mother down there in Tennessee. That's right. He's having a giveaway too. And he's giving away a big old tin of tobacco. That's right. It's that pipe smoking tobacco. You want to get some of that pipe smoking tobacco? You gotta get on over there to Bull's channel. Tennessee Bull. That's right. He's a sexy mother. That's right. He's a sexy son of a mother. So get on over to Tennessee Bull's channel and say, what was it he said? Smoke the stain off that thing. Yep. Go smoke the stain off that thing. That's what you gotta put in there in the comments if you want to win that big old tin of tobacco. Yep. So if you want to win tobacco, you go over to Bowls. If you want to win a ferro rod and $50, you go over there to James McIntyre's channel. That's right. If you want to win a big old cast iron Dutch oven from MD, you go on over to MD's channel and you go in the comments below and you say, I want in MD and I want to forward it to Dark Matter. and if you want to win, okay, I'm going to say this wrong because it's Handy Camper's giving away a hammock chair. A hammock chair. It's like, it's a thing that hangs from a tree and I guess you can sit in it. But it's really great for putting like your gear bags and stuff like that. Keep your big gear bag dry and stuff like that hanging free. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So go check that out too. Go check out all my friends here on YouTube. Get in on the giveaways. Maybe you win, maybe you don't. It don't matter. It's all about supporting the community. That's right. Showing some people you love them. You know, if you're not subscribed, you gotta be subscribers, guys. So, you know, hit the subscribe button. Ring that bell for notifications because you're going to want to be notified. Shoot. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. Ring that bell for notifications because you're going to want to be notified. I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter. And I'm out.